You looked like a little steamboat. Had you seen a design like this before? But instead of using a pedal to accelerate the chainsaw, they would put a kind of stick here above the chain on the bar. And when you lowered the branch you wanted to cut, the chainsaw would automatically speed up. Let's see how this version works, which I haven't seen anywhere else at least. Operated with the pedal, the concept is basically a lever system, a pivot. When you press the pedal, this goes down. The pivot that's here makes this part go up, right? And when that goes up, it speeds up. Is it necessary for the chainsaw to have a rubber band or some kind of spring so that the engine slows down? So this rubber band is forcing this part to go down, and when it goes down, it slows the engine. I put some tape here to keep the chainsaw's safety lock in place, right? The chainsaw can only be accelerated when you're holding the handle, so you have to keep that fixed. I just used some tape. And this tower, it's important that it stays relatively secure here on the platform with a couple of brackets and some screws. Nothing too sophisticated. And it's also important to put a stopper here so that this piece of wood doesn't keep going down. Ideally, you should place it right where the chainsaw is decelerated, not any lower. It's very easy to adjust the tension of the elastic. You can simply lower this screw, or I also thought about putting 1 or 2 more screws below so you can adjust it without unscrewing. Just do it like this. And I think that's all. The bike is clamped with a vise with some rubber pieces to avoid vibration. And a wheelbarrow so it can collect the branches. I made this invention this morning. I haven't tried it yet. I just started the chainsaw to see if the pedal worked. I also fixed the pedal. I put a hinge here. Basically, so the pedal doesn't move forward, but so I can rest my heel on this board and use the tip of my foot to operate the pedal. It turned out really well. It's a super simple solution and I recommend it if you're going to make this invention at home. Of course, I'm not responsible because you're using a tool for something it wasn't designed for. All right, less talking. Let's see how this works. Let's go. think it just needs a name. If you come up with a good name for the invention, leave it in the comments. Let's cut a couple more sticks. Meh, it's good. I liked it. I hope you liked this video. It turned out pretty good and entertaining, especially this little invention. I haven't been uploading many videos because I'm preparing a carpentry course. The second one I'm going to upload to my website, barquitodevapor.com. This course is dedicated to wood joinery. It's really beautiful. I think it's the best thing I've ever done. So it's not up yet. I haven't released it yet, but I'll be sharing more information on Instagram soon. Usually I share all that info there. Well, I won't bother you anymore, sending you a hug. Take care and see you soon in the next video. Bye-bye.